This is the case where profits went in, but no taxes came out. This is the story of Apple and Google. They set up their headquarters in Ireland. आयरलैंड में आयरिश कंपनी वन बनाई. क्यों बनाई? बिकॉज यहाँ कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स था सिर्फ 12.5% कंपेयर टू यूएसए में 35%. तो 22.5% का तो गेन हो रहा है, बट नॉट हैप्पी. दे वांटेड इवन लोअर. सो व्हाट दे डिड इज they decided to set up another company in Ireland only called Ireland Company 2. Ireland Company 2 had intellectual property rights of Ireland Company 1. But this Company 2 was actually managed and controlled from Bermuda, जहाँ 0% tax rate था. तो Company 2 was actually controlled from Bermuda and Company 2 owned Company 1. कि Thailand में रूल था कि we will tax only those companies that are managed and controlled from our country. So if it's managed from another country जैसे Bermuda, we will not charge tax. This way 12.5 also became 0. बट अब एक इशू था कि जब ये पैसा 2 से बर्मुडा जाता है तो एक विथहोल्डिंग टैक्स करके होता है, तो वो देना पड़ता है. तो अब इन लोगों ने सोचा कि नहीं, वो भी नहीं देना है. सो व्हाट दे डिड इज दे थॉट कि अपन ये पैसा डाइवर्ट करेंगे नेदरलैंड्स के थ्रू. नेदरलैंड्स में था कि अगर कोई भी रॉयल्टी पेमेंट हो तो आपको उसके ऊपर टैक्स नहीं देना होता है. एंड बाय डूइंग दिस थ्रू नेदरलैंड्स, इवेंचुअली इफेक्टिव टैक्स दैट दे पेड वाज ओनली 2 to 3%. Apple managed to save $35 billion. Google saved $12.5 billion by doing this entire route. This was called the Double Irish, two Irish companies, and the Dutch Sandwich. For many years, governments tried to catch this, but they could not. This was entirely done legally. They had actually innovated a different tax structure. For ACCA students, this hits IFRS 12 disclosures. Any multinational has to highlight their related party transactions, subsidiaries. For ACCA students, it's a call on ethical judgment. You have to take care कि tax minimize करते करते आपके reputation पे issue ना आ जाए